So something that I've been hearing more and more from people is that they don't know what to do, and because that they don't know what to do, that it's preventing them from taking action. That they're essentially in analysis paralysis, and I've been hearing this for a lot of different scenarios of people. It being this preventing them, this lack of knowing what to do, preventing them from being able to take action. For example, maybe you have a health and fitness goal. You'd like to lose weight, get in shape, but you're not sure exactly which path to take, what to do. I mean, there's so many different diets out there, and so many different people giving health advice that contradict with each other, and because of it, you feel overwhelmed and you're not sure exactly, which approach to take, and so you don't do anything. Or maybe, you aspire to become an entrepreneur someday, so you have all these different ideas for different businesses that you would like to pursue and build up, but you're not sure which one to pursue. You don't have the knowledge, you don't really know exactly what to do, and so you don't take any action since you don't know what to do. And this is the thing. I remember when I first became an entrepreneur, I really wanted to figure out what was the secret to success. And so I ordered so many books, and I started studying up like crazy, trying to learn from successful people. And I remember I read a book on goal setting, and I was like, oh, this is it. All right, the key to success is goal setting. I thought I'd figured it out. But no, goal setting is not the number one key to success. You can be an incredible goal setter with the most organized strategy in the world for setting goals, but that's not guaranteed to be success. And then I read some more books, and then I started learning about how successful people read a lot of books. Knowledge, all right, knowledge, that's the key to success. I figured it out, yes, knowledge. Books, you just gotta have a lot of books and read and accumulate a lot of knowledge. But nope, that's not the key to success. How many people do you know that know what to do? They know smoking is bad for them, yet they still smoke. So no, knowledge is not the key to success. Books not the key to success. And so I kept studying and learning, and at the same time I was building my own businesses. And what I finally eventually came to realize and learn through my research, and also through my own experiences being an entrepreneur, is that the number one key to success is action. Taking action. Doesn't matter how smart you are. It doesn't matter how good a goals you. Mindset really doesn't even matter as well. The most important thing is taking action. Doesn't matter how much knowledge you have and how much certifications. If you don't take action, there will never be an end result. But if you're taking action, that dramatically increases your likelihood of achieving success. Like the saying goes, even a blind dog will find a bone once in a while. By taking action, inevitably you're increasing your odds that eventually you will succeed someday. And so my advice is to start taking action. Something is better than nothing. You can either do something, you can either do the right thing, you can do the wrong thing, or you can do nothing. But doing the right thing or doing the wrong thing is still going to get you further ahead than somebody that is doing nothing. Because even if you're taking action and you're failing, at least you're figuring out ways that it doesn't work. You're getting closer. It's kind of like Thomas Edison. He said, he didn't fail 10,000 times. He just found 9,999 ways that didn't work to create the light bulb. And so I'm a big believer in failing your way to success. And when I look at a lot of my business and entrepreneurial and my career, I'm not the brightest person in the world. I've always been really, poor with tests, and not born with silver spoon in hand. But one of the things about me is that I've always just taken action, even if I didn't know what I was doing. I think back on my wedding business, started a wedding business, I had no idea what I was doing. Just got out there and started marketing myself and doing weddings, and I screwed up in the beginning. I had no idea what I was doing. But now I've officiated over 500 weddings, and I'm an excellent wedding officiant. My notary business, I had no idea what I was doing. I was fresh out of high school, had no idea what I was doing, but every day I started contacting title companies every single day, taking massive action, trying to form relationships with title companies, and I would get hired for notary appointments. I would screw the whole thing up. People would get mad at me. I wouldn't get paid. But I kept taking action, like Forrest Gump. I had no idea what I was doing. I was just taking stupid action, and now I have one of the most successful notary businesses in the country. My YouTube channel, I don't have the most successful YouTube channel in the world. I don't have the highest engagement. I don't have the best quality videos by any means, but I have over 270 videos on my channel. I've just been taking massive action, and as a result now I have over 10,000 subscribers. Being a coach, I've coached hundreds of people now, but I don't have any certifications to be a coach. I don't have any special training to be a coach, yet I've coached hundreds of people one-on-one as a coach. I just started taking action and fumbled and bumbled along, failed forward, and figured out as I went and kept studying. So guys, now I'm an excellent coach, and people that coach with me absolutely attest that I bring the value and that I'm a great coach. And so guys, the thing is that if you don't know what to do, you're in that analysis paralysis stage, do something. Pick a path and start taking action. Just start. I mean, I've started so many businesses where I've taken action, failed miserably, lost a lot of money, but every single time I've done it, it's gotten me closer to figuring out what I didn't like, what weren't my passions, why I shouldn't do things, what I should do, and I don't regret any of it, because every single business endeavor that I failed at were tremendous learning experiences and helped me grow as a person. And because of it, I've gone much further ahead in life than I ever would have if I was just back in an analysis paralysis idea, writing down ideas but never taking action on them. If you're not sure what to do as far as your health and fitness goes, choose a path and start taking it. Choose a strategy that you're going to experiment with, diet program or whatever. Start taking action. Start exercising daily. You don't know what to do for workouts, just get out there and just start running, figuring it out as they're going along, because a lot of people use questions as a method to procrastinate. How do I lose this? How do I do this? Get out there and start doing it. Start running. You want to lose weight? Start running. And then ask questions as you're going along. And so guys, don't get caught up in that analysis paralysis, because that is truly the biggest reason why most people fail and why most people won't succeed. Is just simply because they'll never take action on it, which is sad, but the majority of people will never take action on their ideas. And that's why, family and everything will say, oh, you should never tell anybody about the notary business, the wedding business, we're going to get so much competition. Well, I'm not worried about that, because I know that the majority of people will never take action, and they won't take the kind of action that I did to build up my businesses. I just know how human behavior is. That's why I'm never worried about competition, because I know very few people will take action. And so action, lack of action, it's not the know-how. Fail forward. Learn as you're going along. Take action and learn. And as you're taking action, you're going to learn. But failing forward and moving forward is the most important thing, because you can sit here all day and watch YouTube videos and learn and read books and have more college degrees than a thermometer. But if you never take action, then the person that doesn't have a degree but is taking action and has the IQ of a dog will surpass you in business and success in life, because of the fact that they're taking action. And so guys, take action. That is the key. That is the ultimate key to success. Take action. Don't wait till tomorrow. Today. Take action every single day. Take action. Keep moving forward. Keep moving forward. All right? Keep moving forward, guys. Take action, and you're in for a treat.